Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be in the kitchen doing a little bit of cooking, making something savory, something sweet, okay? So I hope your fall season is off to a good start and it is going oh so well. And if this is your type of content, of course, I want you to smash the like button, subscribe if you like, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Get familiar with my content so that you'll know what my channel is all about. And welcome. So let's just go on and head over to the kitchen so we can do a little cooking, okay? Okay, beautiful people, now I'm here. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix up 2 cups of flour. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some cinnamon, 1 egg. I'm gonna also put in the microwave some peanut butter. I'm gonna melt that down and I'm gonna just mix everything up, and I'm also going to put in some vegetable oil. Now what I do like to do is mix master my ingredients. Sometimes I do grab a pre-made mixture from the grocery store, and sometimes I do keep like the crumble to put on top. And yeah, so I like to test kitchen, okay, my foods, and just experiment. And sometimes, you know, you come up with a masterpiece and it works. And when you find something that works, you just tend to do it over and over and over again. So that's just what I like to do, and it comes out great, and I'll do it again. So as I stated before, I am going to go ahead and put this peanut butter in the microwave. But what I realized I should have done, I should have put it in the microwave maybe a little less of seconds, and I should have added more, because this time around it just did not give peanut butter, okay, because that's what I was trying to do. I tasted more of cinnamon, but I know next time I'm just going to add in a little bit more peanut butter. So if you like peanut butter, add in more peanut butter. Okay, in goes the peanut butter, okay? The peanut butter is getting added in. Now, once you do put in your melted peanut butter, just begin going ahead and start stirring everything all together. Now, you will need a little muscle for this because you want the consistency to be very smooth. Okay, here we are. So like I stated before, just go ahead and use your muscles. You're gonna make sure you whip out all of the clumps and get the flour and everything all together. Okay, now as I stated before, you probably could double up if you want a bigger amount. Okay, if I did not state that before, I'm going to state that now. Okay, so just go ahead and make sure that You double it up if you want to increase your pan size. Okay, so you can use a Pyrex, or if you have another type of pan. I've never tried it in an aluminum pan, but I'm using a Pyrex, okay, because it comes out right. And I use my old faithful pot right there because I noticed that when I don't know, I use something else, it just doesn't come out as good. Basically, you're just going to go ahead and get as much as the mixture out of the pan, okay? I should have probably used spatula. You can also use a spatula, but this here works for me. And I'm just going to get all of the mixture out and put it in my Pyrex pan and get it ready for the oven. Okay, so this is one of my mixed masterpieces, and I'm gonna put a little bit more of this brown sugar on top, okay? And I do save pre-made packages, some of the toppings, and I will use them for a later time. Now that sweet is all together, let's focus on savory. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here is just slice up some onions, slice up some bell peppers, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the whole savory dish together. Use all of the flavors and seasonings of your choice. This is just what I do for mine. Now this is an inexpensive cut of steak here, and I'm just gonna pretty much season it up. I'm gonna put some crushed peppers, some lemon pepper, onion powder later on in the skillet, and I'm also gonna put some soy sauce in. Just mix everything together. The meat is pretty much resting, and I'm just going to make sure that I go ahead and pretty much add in some more ingredients. There's the soy sauce. Now for me, soy sauce, it gives the meat a good flavor, and not only that, it's going to add in a little color for the gravy. Okay, so you will see that too as well. So right here is where the gravy starts. Meat is in the pan. I did put some leftover potatoes in there, okay? So look at it. You can use a beef broth or a stock, but I just go ahead and use water sometimes. And so that's savory, and sweet is all ready. It's sitting over to the side, okay, and it's ready to be sliced up. So I'm just gonna have some coffee with mine, and this is a beautiful fall, sweet dish that's easily made. And like I said, go ahead and mix master your prepackaged items too as well. So that's pretty much what I did. And look at the gravy. It came all together. It's thick and rich, and I know that it's flavorful. And if it's not enough flavor, then I could just go ahead and add a little bit more seasonings, okay, to my liking. I took some leftover potatoes that I had that were smothered, and I just went ahead and added. And I did have a request later on to make some rice because they thought that the gravy would taste very good over some rice. So I did that too as well. So I hope you've enjoyed. All right, beautiful people, I am so happy to have had you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did so, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you made it this far, thank you so very, very, very much. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. And if there is a video that relates to this video, of course it's gonna be up in the cards down in the description box, or it's gonna show up at the end screen. So I will see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.